Ladies and girls, boys and gentlemen of every age, color, shape, and size. Welcome to the side of my face. Dang it, I had a sneeze. Michael. This is Michael. You have anything to say, Michael?
Good morning, but it's afternoon.
Ah.
I don't know what to say.
So I'm cooking up rice noodles. I've been trying to do a little bit healthier. I was doing ramen, but I got rice noodles now, and it's my new bachelor mix. I cut up, hot dogs into little slices, turkey dogs to be exact, because they're healthier. And then, put it in, I was doing ramen, so I'm moving to rice noodles for a health sake, because it's just plain rice. The ingredients are rice and water. And so I'm going to cook them, cut up the hot dogs, turkey dogs, cook them on the stove until they all cook together, and then voila. I like to put in horseradish sauce, and I've started to get hooked on yum yum sauce a little bit. It's a little bit of a guilty pleasure. It is not the healthiest, but it tastes good. It is a sinful pleasure that is delightful to the soul and to the spirit and to the mind and the body and the brain. So ladies and girls, thank you so much for watching my video. I almost sneezed. I had it somewhere. That's why I grabbed the camera and started filming, but Michael?
Yes.
You have anything to say? We had a blast this weekend. We went to the Apple Fest, and this man locked his keys in his car. Well, he locked his key.
My key keeps getting caught in the ignition.
So follow this man around if you want an opportunity to try and steal a car. We were joking around about that yesterday. Because we went into Bob Evans. My brother was like, watch a homeless man drive away with your car and wave at you.
But the key got taken out of it.
So the key is no longer in it. So currently, you're watching this in the future, so travel back in time to September, 21st that we were, or 22nd, yesterday, and go to Bob Evans on Harshman Road. And there you will find his key. So if you're watching this, maybe even you're in year 3000, you can transport back to 2018. Harshman Road, Bob Evans in Dayton, Ohio. Steal this man's blue, what is it?
I'm not saying.
I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We love you, people.
Bye.